Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the process to install Java JDK on Windows 10. Let's start. Open the browser and search Java JDK. Click on Java Standard Edition Downloads. In this page you can select the version of Java, for example the 14 or 13. In my case I'm going to install the Java Standard Edition 13. Go down on the page and click on Window Installer. So on the right side, the execute file. Good, now let's open the file, then click on Next. Here you can see the installation folder of Java. You can change it. I will leave it like that, and then Next. Very good, now let's close the window. And now let's check the installation folder of Java. So C, Program Files, Java, and of course JDK 13. Inside this folder you can find the bin folder where you can look at the Java execute command and the javac execute folder. Now let's open the terminal to check if the Java command is available on Windows 10. So type java --version. Okay, Java is not recognized as an internal external command. We have this error because we need to add the Java path inside the environmental variables. So open the system environmental variable. In these windows we need to add a new variable with the name Java Home and with the directory javac program files Java JDK 13. Very good. And now we need to add this Java Home inside the path. So click on Path, Edit, add a new one and type %Java Home %/bin. Close the windows, close the other windows, and of course we need to close the terminal and try it again. So now open again the terminal and now type again Java --version. Very good, it's working. So we have installed the Java 13 version. Let's check also the javac. So javac --version. Good. Javac 13. Very good. If you type java --help, you can see all the list of commands that you can use with Java. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel to keep update about my new video of Java. Bye.